What's happening there? What's going on with him?
He's snugging it up. He likes to stay warm.
What's that in the back?
That's me banana. Hey lad.
That looks
Do you like
cool.
a banana?
That looks well cool. How's Flea? Let's see the covers. Let's get Flea out. How are you? How's the trip been, Flea? All right?
It's been alright, both sides. I just want to go back to bed by now.
Right.
I've been standing all the way here. I walked here.
What have we got here?
Well, I put a little bit of water in the pan, ready.
Let's have a look.
for you. Ta-da!
Oh, did I? Yeah.
Let's put the on.
Yeah. Let's see if we can get the
There's
old.
that.
Ah.
I'll get the spaghetti and bolognese out.
Okay.
Oh, look at this, Bruce.
Oh, what's
Some
happened?
beers.
Oh,
Oh, that's
Someone-
a stroke of luck.
I wonder who left them there.
The beer fairy.
What else is in there?
Dinner.
Oh yeah. What is it? Oh yeah. It's vegetarianism, vegan spaghetti bolognese, isn't it?
Yes.
Right. So we've got that on. Cook some. Look.
There we are. And so I'll leave you to it then.
What are you doing then? Just getting pissed.
I'll open a beer.
Oh, okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, we've just woken up and we're on a busy road. Alex is just preparing the vehicle to be moved down the road so we can let the dog out. We're going to go down to the Monsal car park because we're parked on the top of the hill, and then we'll get a bit of breakfast and a cup of tea down there. That's what the windscreen looks like as the cars come over the hill. It's you can see a little dreich, shall we say, as they used to say in Scotland. This is what it looks down the side. There you are, look, that's what it's down the side. Looks lovely. As soon as Alex has prepared the vehicle for moving, we shall endeavour to proceed in a downwardly projection to the to the car park, and hot dogs and sausages. So here we are. Come on, pet.
Hey.
As you can see, it's a little bit windy.
It's not quite raining.
We've left the Flea in there, but it's not like it's going to overheat or anything. I think he'll be quite happy under the covers. Alex is doing a yoga exercise this morning. Get your boots on, pet. Right, anyway, let's get down to this Monsal Strait. Monsal. Oh, look, up there.
Oh, this is a way to do it, isn't it?
Oh, lovely. Right, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm ready.
We're loving this weather, aren't we?
Oh, God, yeah.
So look, this is where we're going. Down there.
Monsal Valley. What Dale?
Oh, I don't know. I want to go down there.
Alright, well let's go down that way.
Or, I don't know.
That way.
No, I think it's that way.
That way. Which way?
Because that one goes up to that one.
Oh, right.
Monsal Dale, Ashford.
Go down.
We want to go that way. So down that way, I think.
Oh, right.
I think so, I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know. Should we get the phone out?
Yeah, I'm going to get my phone out. Well, we want to go along that viaduct thing, don't we? Don't you think so?
Well, yeah. But that one says Updale Monsal Viaduct. That's a horsey way.
Oh no, it's left.
Right.
No, left.
That's the way to go then.
That's that way. Yes, left. Come on then.
Right, come in.
As you can see from the lens, it's rather damp. So we're going to have to put the camera away for a little while, just while we go down here. Bloody hell. Whose idea was this? It's nice. It's once you get out here, it's not so bad. Look at the buds on the trees.
Oh, spring is springing.
There's a lot of dedication to memories. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are. We're actually on the trail now after a bit of a false start, really.
Yeah,
there, darling.
false start.
We went the wrong way over towards Ashford, and a kind gentleman said, "Which way are you going?" And I said, "That way." So,
Wanna go there?
where are you walking to? Down there. We sounded a bit stupid, didn't we?
Yeah, well, you did.
Well,
I didn't speak to him.
no.
Look at the rain, the way it's falling, being gusted across the
Yeah.
viaduct.
Yeah, that would look really good. Let's just see if we can see that.
No, you can't see it, can you?
Oh, we might be able to.
No, you can't.
So, as you can see, behind us is the tunnel, which we're not going into at this moment in time, but we may
Yeah.
go into it later on the way
Yes.
back or something.
Yeah.
We'll see how we
Yeah.
feel. But we're going to go this way because it looks more protected out the wind.
Alright,
So,
tunnel
let's
that-
crack on. Are you ready?
Ready?
Let's go. Head off.
This is all about the Monsal Trail, Monsal Dale. It's
Alright.
a beauty or beast, a feat of Victorian engineering, built in 1863 on the Derby to Manchester section of the Midland Railway.
All right.
This viaduct is 300 feet long and it has a 50-foot span arches, making it one of the most impressive viaducts in Britain.
So there's the viaduct behind us. Look, this is where we're going, down here.
50-foot arches.
Let me show you over the edge.
That'll be one of the arches.
That's over the edge. But as you may be able to see, go that side. As you may be able to see, it's rather windy and wet.
Oh,
And it is
headwind.
headwind now. Yeah, definitely
Ah.
a headwind.
Oh dear.
We're definitely we're loving it though. Still
Oh
loving it.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh,
We
can't
always
wait.
love extreme weather.
Yeah, extreme weather. So
Oh.
watch my hat doesn't fall off. So yeah, we're in a bit of an exposed bit here, as you can tell.
Oh, that is so windy.
Yeah, so let's hopefully, as we go along, we'll get a little bit more shelter. We'll see.
Oh, we're into a tree area
Yeah.
after the viaduct.
Well, that's the first
exposed
viaduct. First tunnel, first viaduct.
In front of you is the impressive Crestbrook Mill. The original mill, built in 1779 by Sir Richard Arkwright, was burnt down in 1785.
Oh.
It was rebuilt in 1787 by Richard Arkwright Jr. Behind the mill are apprentices' cottages, built to house orphan children brought from the cities to work in the mill.
Oh, crikey.
During the 19th century, the mill was in its heyday, making high-quality cotton for the lace-making industry. It ceased spinning in 1965. Crestbrook Tunnel.
Crestbrook, that's it.
That's it. Crestbrook
Go on
Tunnel.
then.
Let's do it. Oh, butters.
Are they mine?
Might be.
So what do you think to the first tunnel then?
Very exciting, isn't it? Very wet though.
It is, there's a lot of rain coming in some sections, and that is a little worrying that,
Yeah, it's all around the light fixtures.
yeah.
There we are. That's all good then.
But we've traversed our first tunnel,
Yep.
and yeah, I quite enjoyed it. It's still covered in black sooty grime from the steam engines.
Oh, love it.
But,
Love a bit of crime.
it's really well maintained, lovely path and lights and everything.
I
So
just want to take a picture of
quite good.
the entrance to the tunnel, because that looks quite good, doesn't it?
Yeah, go on, do it
Or
then.
the exit to the tunnel.
Go on, now you do it. Go on. Look at that, that looks stunning. As we exit the tunnel, it would appear that we're now entering rain again. Quite substantial rain as well.
And wind.
And wind, but I can see another tunnel ahead.
Oh, how
It's just up
exciting.
there. Let's go Cresswell Tunnel, look. Can
Yeah,
you point to it, Alex?
Cresswell.
That's it. Yeah, so we've done the Cresswell tunnel, but if I look ahead of me, there's another tunnel.
There are.
You can just see the water all going
All over the place. Look at the valley. The swirling, misting water.
water absolutely everywhere. Right, so we're off into the next tunnel.
Hurrah!
Shouldn't take long.
We like a nice tunnel, don't we, darling?
Oh, we do.
Oh, we do.
So let's get across here. Look down there, darling. Look behind us there, look.
Beautiful. Even in this weather, it's still stunning.
Yeah, a bit of snow on the hills still. Tunnel there.
Well, I'm quite excited about this.
We're going to enter this tunnel. We're not going to be scared this time, are we?
No.
No. We're just going to go straight in there.
Yeah, no fear.
We don't know how long it is, but hopefully there's no trains. So, how far have we come now?
3.5 miles.
Oh, 3.5. Feels longer.
It does, doesn't it?
Feels a bit longer, but it's the conditions are improving. We're in a very sheltered spot here.
Kind of stopped raining, hasn't it?
Yeah, the rain's a bit drizzly, and we spotted another trail down there, so
yeah, it might come back that way.
we might come back that way.
Yeah.
But I do believe there's a pub at the end of this, so
Is there?
we could use the facilities there.
Yes.
For,
the bar.
I was thinking more of the toilets.
No, I'm not going to drink the toilets.
So I don't know how much further it is to go, but
quite a bit.
yeah, quite a bit. Should we keep
Another
going?
5 miles.
Are you still okay to keep going?
Oh yeah, keep going.
Okay, well we'll catch you in a bit, but yeah, it's been pretty good so far.
It's really nice, really good trail.
Yeah. Up there's some sort of building. It's quite amazing. Massive structure, rock and concrete. You see a bit more of it up here. There's Alex. But I don't know what it is. Oh, there's a bit of bridge here, look. What do you think it is?
Tunnely bit there.
There's what?
Like a little tunnely bit under there.
Oh yeah, there. Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? I wonder what it is.
That's pretty cool.
And oh, look at this bit.
Oh.
What is this? 2 railway lines.
Viaduct.
Weird. There's a railway line there which you can't get on. And there's another bridge over here. Do you want to have a quick look up there? So we've just come up to these buildings and we discovered they're actually lime kilns. There's a little bit here about them, look.
Oh, lime kilns.
What does it say, darling?
Well, it says increased demand from industry in the 19th century led to limestone quarries opening next to railways. In front of you are the kilns of the old Millersdale Lime Works, which opened in 1878.
Oh yeah, so here's the lime kiln. Do not enter, it says. Well look, there's the lime kiln in there. Let's just show you. Yeah, if we go around here, they must have created a lot of heat. Well, there's a little table and bench in that one. You could actually, yeah. More lime kilns up here. You just see another one. Yeah. How cool. I don't know how lime kilns work, but I can only assume that they got the rock and heated it up and it broken into lime. You're getting a photo of it, darling.
Actually,
The skull? Oh yeah, it does, yeah.
looks like a skull.
Oh God, Dan, I don't know if you should go in there. Darling, I don't want to lose you.
Okay, sweetie, I'm quite safe.
I don't think so. Look how old this place is. It's really old.
So am I.
Oh, I'm not as old as that. Come on,
Yes, I'm
we've
coming
got
out.
places to go.
Pretty
Okay, so we're going to leave the lime kilns now. Head back down this onto the main path again. Everything is really boggy and soggy.
Boggy and soggy.
Boggy and soggy. Like Pinky and Perky.
Squishy and squashy.
Squishy and squashy. The Victorians made some good shit, didn't they?
Yeah, jolly well did, actually. That was very new and good.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a replica.
It's massive as well. It goes all the way along there. So this is the bridge. You just see down there. There's the road down there.
Oh my god.
There's a road. And if you look right down,
That's pretty scary, actually.
it's quite a long way down, isn't it?
I would say that
Right
is a
along there.
Victorian bridge.
Anyway, now we're going across a bridge. We're in a pretty exposed area.
Yeah, so
So-
it's windy and it's rainy again.
See what's over here. Oh my. So we've just come across another lime kiln. And it's enormous, absolutely enormous. It really is. I'll just show you behind me. Look at it. Alex says it looks like something off Tomb Raider. And it does. It's
Wildlife hotel. Today, the kilns are home to wildlife. The white boxes that you can see high up on the buttresses are the swifts.
oh,
They need the height to be able to take off, and once hatched and left the nest, they can keep flying non-stop for up to 3 years. Natterers, brown long-eared, and Dorbertines bats are common species in this type of habitat. Look at the trees and the birds.
I'm gonna have a look inside. Yeah, so come with me now as I travel inside the bird's nest. Not what's this called? Lime kiln. The wildlife sanctuary. Oh wow, look at this. It's quite a big building. Go all the way in here. So what's in here is just rocks and caves. I can't see a bloody thing. Not really a lot to see here. Watch you don't tread in poo in here. So as you can see, this is quite a stunning building. Very impressed. It must have taken years to build. I don't know when it was built. Look at it up there. It's massive. Hi there. I'm in the lime kiln. Some big steel plates there. Wow, what a great bit of kit. Really interesting. I can't imagine to see it running what it would look like.
I want to show you this post. Sporting this rather rapish hairdo.
Oh wow, yeah, that's
Got a
really
big eye
good.
there.
That's really good, isn't it?
That's very good.
Abseil area only.
Yeah. I might have abseiled off this bridge, darling.
You're kidding me.
No. When I first started at TDA, we went for team building
All right.
weekend, even before it actually started, because I finished work at one place on the Friday,
Yeah.
went straight to TDA,
Oh.
got on the minibus, and we came.
Jumped off this bridge.
Oh yeah, I think so. Could
Let's
have
have a
been
look.
this bridge. It certainly came abseiling.
Abseils have a valid permit to be displayed at all times. Holy moly. Would you, is this the gate you went through?
Oh no, it should
This
be.
must be the
This one
gate.
or not, because I'm sure that the one we went to had like a little island.
All right. No, there's the.
But it was something like this.
All right.
And what was the quickest descender?
Oh, I can imagine. Just fell down. Right, another bridge, another tunnel. Come on, let's go. Why is it called the Cheetah Tunnel?
deal. We're going to just walk into a painted wall.
Right, come on, let's get in. Could have a sandwich here. We'll have a quick sandwich here.
We are having a cheese sandwich in Cheapjaw Channel 2. Let's hope no one sees us.
So it appears Alex is having a few issues with her legs short-circuiting.
Yeah, water's got into the wiring.
Yeah. We're looking for some shelter now because the rain is getting a bit extreme.
Oh no, it was heavy.
And as you can see, we're both pretty damn bloody soaked.
Soaked through.
All the way. So we can find somewhere to have a little rest, that'd be lovely.
Yeah. Angela's rest.
Angela's rest. Then, do you fancy a quick abseil while we're here?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
But I don't have the licence.
Oh right, never mind. Next time.
Blown out of that one. Oh,
Do we need
darn
a
it.
rope? Do we need a rope?
Yes, actually. Rope and other paraphernalia.
Okay. I'll get some paraffin on the way back. We decided to try a different way back, different route. I'm beginning to regret it already.
Oh yes, so am I.
Because it appears the road ahead is flooded. I just wanted to walk under the bridges, but the bridges are there, look. There's the bridges. They look stunning.
It's not so much even going finding a way around the water because I think it might be I don't know. Cars and there's traffic. It was okay.
Oh,
Except for my short-circuiting legs. I just keep going, yeah.
Look at that bridge. We managed to get through the water.
Yeah.
The water special. Should have filmed that really.
We're hardcore.
We are hardcore. We don't mess around.
We don't.
So let's hope
Thankfully
we
there
can.
were no cars coming,
Yeah.
so we could walk down the middle of the road where it was the shallowest,
Yes.
and we only got somewhat wet.
Yes.
Well,
exactly.
somewhat wetter.
Yeah. Correct.
Here comes cars.
So we're seeing a lot of this debris because we had a bit of a storm last night in the old camper van.
Hell yes, it was so windy
Very, very
and
windy.
rainy.
And we've just got a nice little church here. Look, it's Saint
Lovely.
Dominic of the Pizza. Yeah, lovely little church. Right, there's a pub down here. So, Alex, have you spotted it?
Yes,
Called the Angler's Rest.
yes, I smelled
The only
it.
thing is, you're not an angler. How does that feel?
What?
That you're not an angler. Oh yeah.
I don't care. I'm just
Okay.
going to go in there.
There's a watermill there. Look.
Good grief. How lovely.
Lovely little watermill. How's your soggy coat?
Well, it's soggy as a soggy thing on Soggy Monday in the soggiest month of the year. I have
So-
left a little puddle on the floor. It's
Have
not
you
wee. It's not.
So we've just come to this lovely pub, but unfortunately we're so soaked.
Oh, God.
We've not only destroyed all the serviettes on the table, but yeah, we've left little puddles everywhere.
How did it? Oh, that was your coat.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I think
gotcha.
Barmaid's going to come and rub my nose in it.
I know I would.
Are you ready?
I am ready. Let's take the empty glasses back up to the
Yeah.
bar. Thank you very much. Bye.
Refreshed ourselves suitably with
Suitably?
some. Alex, what did you have? What beer did you have?
I had alcoholic beverage of Farmer's Blonde.
Farmer's Blonde alcoholic beverage from
Oh, and it
Alex.
was grand.
I had
Soda water and lime.
soda water and lime because I'm a pussy.
Girls drink.
Yeah. It's not a girl's drink.
No, it's not.
Look at that, look, there's a tree.
Oh,
Look.
look at that tree.
That's come down off there.
Down in its prime.
Fell down today. It fell off there, look.
Oh, right, I see what you mean. Yes, it fell off there today. Oh, dear, now then.
See, we don't pick normal sunny days, idyllic. We go for freezing bloody cold. It's actually cold, but not freezing cold.
It's not. It's
There is
only
still
cold
snow on the ground.
It's only cold because we're soaking wet.
Yes.
Because actually the temperature is probably around about 10 or 11 degrees.
Yeah.
But it has rained like
Billio.
bilio.
So we're going to go down to the mill now. We're hoping that you can go down to the mill here, Tut Mill, cross the bridge and then back up onto the railway track.
Yeah.
And then we'll get back to the van, get the heater on, snacks.
We've still got sandwiches in the back,
No,
actually.
I'm dying to find a place. I think we'll find a place at the mill. A little bit of shelter.
Tut Mill.
Look, there's more branches down there, look.
Well, I'm not surprised.
I know.
Have you seen the weather?
I know. You're not passing much there. Only thing you're going to pass there is, look, there's a bit of wood in the river as well.
No, I mean it's a toilet.
Yeah, I was going to say. When I mean passing place, I don't...
Yeah.
Oh. There you go.
Right, how long is it?
Now we are about to attempt these steps. Now,
Hewn from the hillside.
hewn from the hillside.
Using local stone.
Yes, you can see there's lots of wood, which is really taunting me with my wood turning thing. But anyway, let's get back to the thing. Up the steps. Alex, you can go first.
Oh, goody.
Alex, go.
Woo! Here we go, here we go.
She's off. First step, easy. That looked a bit dodgy. Second step, third step. Yes, she's definitely doing a good job.
I'm stepping. Doing it.
We're just climbing the hills now. The steps are going really well. They're a bit slippery in places, so be careful. That's all I can say. How are you getting on? Some good trees around here. Some good trees.
Trees.
Yeah.
Trees are green.
Oh, here we go. Nearly at the top.
Now then. Oh, that's steep.
Ah, keep going.
Oh, bloody hell.
Go on.
Roller.
Don't stop. Just keep going. That got the blood going. So my trousers are falling down now. That was easy, wasn't it?
Do you know what?
Oh,
I thought I was fitter than that. I really did.
that was a tough little one, that. But we're here now, we're at the top. Ready to go.
Raining still.
There's an old snowman.
Lost
Poor
his
old
head.
snowman lost his head, look, there you are.
Yeah.
So Alex did a really cool picture in here with her phone.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to replicate that picture. However, I'm not having a lot of luck. As much as I understand that the iPhone is far superior to any camera I possess, no matter what the cost, I'm a bit disappointed though. Anyway, this is one of our longer tunnels.
Yeah.
And it's quite a dry one. It's quite nice actually. Do you know, we could sit there and have a bit of soup.
We could, couldn't we?
Yeah.
Shall we?
I think we could. What do you think?
Oh, yeah. Right.
Is it dry?
Ish.
It looks okay, doesn't it?
And drop the sack.
Oh, don't do that, darling. No, let's have the soup first.
This is my soup.
Is this your soup? This here is my soup.
And you get a spoon, don't you? I forgot. you want a sandwich? Can I interest you in a sandwich? What sandwich would you like?
Well, did you have a curved one or a flat one? Oh, shit.
What sandwich would you like?
A cheese sandwich, please.
Cheese? Well, that's lucky because that's all they've got. How far have we come?
9.06 miles.
Wow, that's good. I have to say it's not busy, is it? I can't understand why, can you? So, are you ready for the off? Have we got anything?
I ain't going to be able to stand up then.
Let me help you.
Wait until I've got my bag on. There's my bag. On. Wait. Wait. That is. Oh, look at this.
Oh yeah.
I got sooty hands.
I got sweet hands.
So how was it for you?
On the whole, pretty good.
It wasn't bad, was it?
It was bloody lovely, actually.
Yeah, a
Despite
little bit.
the weather.
It was a bit wet and a bit windy.
We are a bit wet.
Yes.
And you are a bit windy.
Oh, wait, steady on. It's not just all about farts. But we're nearly at the, we're going to leave the trail now, head
Back
up the
up to
hill,
the car
back
park.
up to the car park, see if the little flea's all right, bless him in his...
In his warm, cosy little blanket wrapped bed in the van.
Yeah, well, are you saying just words or was that
Words. Well, I think that's got to my other wiring now.
Yeah, Alex is starting to shut down. Either the batteries are starting to short circuit or...
Everything's short
It's just
circuited.
going wrong.
It is.
Yeah.
My legs are pulsing and...
I think you just leave it now. Just leave it now. Stop it. So yeah, we just got there. I'll just turn you around. That's the tunnel, but we don't go through there. We turn left.
Yeah, we go up the hill.
We've just come across this bridge. It's still pissing it down. It's been raining all day, really. Let's not kid ourselves. It's been raining all day, hasn't it?
We are a little bit wet, as you might see.
So let's go. How many miles have we done?
Oh, 11-ish. On 10.5 miles.
10.5 miles, which isn't bad. So we're just going to go up this footpath. It'll probably be about 11 miles by the time we get back, which isn't bad in the pouring rain.
In the pouring rain.
So on our travels today, we met Candice Marie. Go left. Otherwise you've got this big step. There you are. Are you up?
Oh, I'm up.
How was that?
A little bit tougher than I expected,
Come on, keep
but
going.
with the stay in my legs,
I think you've done well.
not surprising.
No, you've done well.
Oh,
Go on, just a few more steps and you're up.
Oh yeah.
ready to get into the van, that's for
So
sure.
what's your mileage? What's your mileage?
10.94.
10.94.
What have you done? No, what have you done?
10.94. Not even 11.
Well, how many have you done? Oh, I'm not going to walk half a mile.